Happy Friday, everyone. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of Workpro. It's a 12 volt lithium ion rotary tool. Now I have the Milwaukee, and the only reason why I have this is doors and getting off screws or nuts or bolts off boiler pumps. This works really good. It has a small footprint, and so that's what I use it for. And for doors, sometimes when they swell up or whatever, they don't match up with the strike plate, so I'll cut a little bit out of here with that and let it set in there, and it works great because that way you don't have to dick around with moving the strike plate around. And if it ever becomes like a big problem, we're in an apartment complex, so we have plenty of strike plates around to replace those with. So let me find a knife. Now let's check this Workpro rotary tool out. They call it a mini grinder. And this is also good for, like, we have signs and stuff where I'll have to, make cuts, and I don't want an angle grinder because it's big. I use angle grinder for a lot of things around the work, but some things for apartment maintenance, this little rotary tool saves your butt. Alright, let's see what we got here. Glorious. Alright, so it comes with a pretty nice accessory kit. A thank you card. I think the company that owns them is this Great Star Tools, made in China. Of course, there's a safety tab strip there. Let me see if I can give you guys a closer look. Buffing wheels. My head won't think. Put the sanding pads on there. I think there's some diamond tip bits for engravers, and it does come with cutoff discs, which is exactly what I'm looking for from this. So, what else do we have here? Alright, little charger. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Instructions. Like I said, they have a pretty big tool lineup. I like their stuff, I do. Alright, so we'll compare this to the Milwaukee here. The 12 volt battery is 15 milliamp hours. 12 volt. Let me see if I get this to focus. I'm sorry, I keep trying to mess around with it. So right off the bat, this is a lot heavier. Probably a pound heavier. This weighs like nothing. Absolutely nothing. This has 6 speeds. Ooh, this has 10 speeds. Throw a battery in the Milwaukee. So this is on speed 6, and this is how it starts up. And winds down. So I'm guessing this is a 1.5 amp. That's on speed 10. It has just a push button. On, off. Maybe? Oh, never mind. I don't know what this, must be like a kill switch? Bypass? You turn it off on 0. And you click this over, it turns on. And if you push this, it just shuts off. So it doesn't have an on, that is, it's on off. So that's kind of funky. That's it. So I'm going to actually leave this in the shop at work and leave the Milwaukee one in my truck. So at work I will use this. And like I said, this is just an unboxing. I have no opinions on this until I put it through its paces. I will say you know, it's not winter time, so we're not doing a lot with the boilers. But I'll be using it. There'll be enough work that comes in. Like I said, these are more geared towards homeowners, but I'm going to put it in the shop and see how it holds up at work. Also today, we will go live, DeWalt, Impact. Versus the reigning champion, the Black & Decker. They're going to go head-to-head today at 3:30, 3:45. Everyone have a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.